Hello and welcome to this e-module on deep cleaning part 1, high areas. The topic of deep cleaning will be covered in two parts. In this module, part 1, we will cover high areas, and in part 2, we will cover hard floors or workstations and outdoor areas. Let's take a look at the learning objectives of this module. Deep cleaning part 1, high areas. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand high areas cleaning. Explain what is deep cleaning. List the EHS or tools, tackles and equipment used for deep cleaning. List the standard operating procedures for deep cleaning. Understand the precautions to be taken for deep cleaning. Understand the frequency of deep cleaning. List the parameters for deep cleaning checking process. Understand the business impact of clean high areas in workplace. Explain the service level agreements or key performance indicators for deep cleaning. Let us start this module by understanding what is deep cleaning. Spring cleaning or deep cleaning is the process of detailed cleaning of the facility to refurbish the building and its components. Although the facility is cleaned on a daily basis, there are some areas like the ceiling which are not cleaned. The public areas also need to be refurbished at least periodically to increase the look and life of the facility. This involves specialized cleaning of floors, more detailed cleaning of workstations, ceiling, above eye level cleaning, windows and furniture and fixtures. In every office, there are some hard-to-reach places that cannot be tackled other than in a deep clean. Deep cleaning is sure to address the areas where grime accumulates over the course of a few weeks and months. These areas aren't reached during normal cleaning, as cleaners may cause some disruption to workers, particularly when they're trying to reach under desks, behind cupboards, and even computer equipment. In this module, part 1 of deep cleaning, we will cover all the cleaning procedures involved in the cleaning of all high areas in the facility, including all the safety precautions that need to be taken while doing the task. Let us now understand the deep cleaning in detail. Spring cleaning or deep cleaning is an intense, thorough cleaning procedure undertaken at a set frequency, which may be fortnightly or monthly. The concept is called spring cleaning, as in most places, this procedure is done after a long hard winter and the season changes to spring, which is the time for a renewal. During winter, ACs are not in use and therefore would require good, thorough cleaning and maintenance to ensure that it can be used properly through the coming season. The same principle holds true for Indian conditions as well, as we have monsoons wherein there is not much one can do with regard to maintaining cleanliness. There is a lot of moisture and humidity during the rains. Also, floors and carpeting become wet regularly due to wet feet and mud from outdoors, causing stains on flooring and carpets, etc. Thus, a change in season would highlight a thorough deep cleaning procedure to be undertaken to make things bright, clean and fresh once again. In India, this is mostly done just before the onset of winters. This is the time to take care of small issues before they become big. Addressing these small details can add up to huge improvements in appearance and functionality. Some things to inspect for repair or replacement are doors, that is door sweeps, door stops, sticking locks, etc., corner guards, tile and grout, light switches and faceplates, ceiling tiles, countertops and shelving, cabinets and hinges, and fire extinguishers. And don't forget how much fresher everything looks with new caulking and a new coat of paint on the walls to give new aesthetic life and spruce up the facility. What exactly is involved in a deep cleaning? All furniture would be moved so that carpets and floors can be thoroughly mopped, scrubbed or vacuumed. Have all AC units serviced or cleaned or repaired and maintained? Empty all kitchen cupboards and appliances and clean them inside and out. Wipe down all surfaces not normally tackled, including light switches, mop boards and door handles. Thoroughly clean and disinfect all bathroom surfaces and polish mirrors. Vacuum out vents and drapes and dust all surfaces including window ledges, tracks and blinds. Wipe down or vacuum all furniture. Clean and sanitize computer keyboards and screens as well as telephones. So far, you have learned the places you need to clean while performing deep cleaning. Let us now understand the benefits of deep cleaning. Deep cleaning tackles the areas that collect dirt over a lengthy period of time, ensuring a more hygienic environment. Other benefits of a deep clean include thorough floor cleaning makes sure that every part of the floor is stain and dirt free and rid of any germs in lobbies and washrooms, which increases its life. Removal of mold and mildew. Moisture can collect in areas that would otherwise be covered up by furniture or other office decor, causing formation of mold and mildew, removal of which improves the appearance and aesthetic value. Sanitizing equipment. This includes keyboard, headsets and other computer hardware so to prolong the life of the office equipment. Dirt, which is accumulated in hard-to-reach places, corners and carpets, will be cleaned, which is otherwise not possible to clean on a daily basis. This improves the life and overall cleanliness. Grease in office kitchens or on tables which are used by a large number of people on a regular basis, which can be a fire hazard if not cleaned. Let us now see personal protective equipment that should be used by the janitor staff before performing deep cleaning. Ensure that the MSDS and dilution ratios of chemicals are followed. Wherever step ladder is used, one person should always stand below holding the ladder. While using step ladder, the area where the step ladder is put up should be barricaded to prevent anyone from banging into the step ladder and causing accident. While cleaning anything off the high areas, the area below should be barricaded from movement to ensure no accidents as well as health and safety. Use caution sign. Use appropriate PPEs as recommended for each job. The commonly used personal protective equipment are safety goggles, face mask, hand gloves, and appropriate clothing or overalls. So far, you have understood the benefits of performing deep cleaning and PPE that needs to be used. The tools and tackles used for cleaning ceiling and walls are extended feather duster, step ladder, cobweb cleaner, damp duster, drop cloth, caution sign, crew bathroom cleaner, stride, face mask, safety goggles. The standard operating procedure for ceiling and walls are display caution sign. Ensure that obstacles are removed and ladder is placed safely against the wall next to the area to be cleaned. Put the drop cloth below the area to be cleaned so that all dust falls into the drop cloth. Using an extended feather duster, dust where the wall meets the ceiling. Use of a step ladder is recommended here. If step ladder is used, keep shifting the step ladder so as to prevent overreaching. Using cobweb cleaner, remove cobwebs. Keep rolling the cobweb cleaner and use it very lightly to prevent cobwebs from falling down. Use crew bathroom cleaner for restroom walls and stride for common area textured walls. Make solution as per instruction. Spray enough to make the cloth damp. Clean the walls clockwise from top to bottom. Check if dust, stickiness and finger marks are removed. If any stubborn stains remain, spray cleaner on stains and scrub gently with cloth and wipe the walls dry. For washable walls only. Remove AC duct grill and wipe with damp cloth. Clean top of doors and door jambs with a damp cloth. At the end of the procedure, put things back in place and remove caution sign. Dusting of the smoke detectors, sprinklers and light fixtures etc. are undertaken by the technical staff and not the janitorial staff. The tools and tackles required for overhead lighting cleaning are step ladder, feather brush, glass cleaner, clean cloths, blue check duster, gloves and safety goggles, face mask, vacuum cleaner. The standard operating procedure for cleaning overhead lighting are: display caution sign in the area where cleaning is being done. Position the step ladder safely under the light fixture to be cleaned and have someone else holding the ladder to avoid any accidents. Be sure the step ladder is sturdy and in proper repair. Take the blue check duster. If the light fixture has the egg crate type diffusers, unhook them and set aside. If the diffusers are clear plastic, unhook the panel and bring down to one side. With the pack vacuum, vacuum the interior surface of the light fixture. Put on gloves and goggles. Do light dusting with feather brush in areas where vacuuming is not possible or out of reach. Using the glass cleaner and a soft clean cloth, damp dust the interior of the light fixture and the inside and outside of the plastic diffuser. Dry all surfaces with a soft clean blue check dust cloth. Relock the plastic diffuser into position or replace the egg crate diffuser after it has been cleaned. Caution: avoid the excessive use of glass cleaner or water. Remove caution sign and put all things back in their place. The tools and tackles required for Venetian blind cleaning are: clean cloths, vacuum cleaner, soft bristle brush, 2 clean buckets, gloves and goggles. The standard operating procedure for cleaning Venetian blinds are: display caution sign in the area where work is to be done. There are 2 procedures to clean Venetian blinds. They are weekly and monthly. The weekly procedure to clean Venetian blinds is to remove the dust and dirt from vanes of Venetian blinds where bacteria can multiply. Adjust the blind to expose the flat surface. Vacuum entire exposed surface from top to bottom using a left to right motion as you clean. Reverse the flat surface of the blinds and repeat the procedure. Return the Venetian blinds to original position. Remove caution sign and put things back in place. The monthly procedure is vast and you need to do quite a lot. The standard operating procedure for cleaning Venetian blinds on monthly basis are: put on gloves and goggles. Using a clean cloth and cleaner disinfectant in a bucket, clean the blinds from top to bottom, working in a left to right motion as you clean. Rinse cloth frequently in clear water. Dry the surface of the blind with another clean cloth. Reverse blinds and repeat procedure. If possible to remove blinds from window, an alternate procedure is recommended. Remove blinds. Soak in cleaner disinfectant. Agitate with a soft bristle brush. Rinse with clear water. Dry and rehang. At the end of the job, remove caution sign and put things back in place. The tools and tackles required for window cleaning are: glass cleaner, squeegee, vacuum cleaner with high suction fitting, wet cloth, caution sign. The standard operating procedure for cleaning windows are: display caution sign, ensure that obstacles are removed from the area to be cleaned and place the ladder properly. For the glass, use glance AV for cleaning. Make solution as per instruction. Spray enough to make the cloth damp. Clean the windows clockwise from top to bottom. Ensure dust, stickiness and finger marks are removed. If stubborn stains remain, spray cleaner on stains and wipe dry. Wear the PPEs required for vacuuming as mentioned in the module for vacuuming. Using a vacuum cleaner with a narrow high pressure suction fitting, clean the window rails of the dust. Using a wet cloth, wipe the aluminium or metal frames of the glass windows on the sides also. Wipe the railings using the damp cloth. At the end of the job, remove signage and put all things back in their place. The tools and tackles required for kitchen exhaust hood cleaning are: water, soap solutions, dry dusters. The standard operating procedure for kitchen exhaust hood are: display caution sign in the area where work is being done. Switch off the electrical supply to the fan. Wear appropriate PPE, gloves, mask and goggles for safety. Remove the metal cap of the hood and take out the grease strap. Wash the hood cover and grease strap with soap water till clean. Scrub the inside of the hood and the side wall with soap water. Wash the inside with plain water and wipe it dry. assemble the hood back, remove caution sign and put things back in place. The chandelier cleaning can be done in two methods, namely dry method and wet method. The tools and tackles required for chandelier cleaning for dry method are ladder, a minimum of 2 microfiber cloths, glass cleaner. The standard operating procedure for chandelier cleaning dry method are display caution sign in the area of work. Make sure the light is off and the bulbs are cool before you get started. Set the ladder up safely so that it is sturdy and have someone holding it firmly to avoid any accidents. Be sure that it is high enough to comfortably reach the chandelier. Start at the top and work your way around the fixture, moving from top to bottom and from the inside out. Spray glass cleaner on one cloth and wipe each piece of glass with it. Use the second cloth to polish the clean glass. Clean or replace microfiber cloths when they become dirty. Ensure the chandelier is assembled and working properly before removing caution sign and putting things back in place. The wet method of cleaning chandelier is faster than the dry method. The tools and tackles required for chandelier cleaning for wet method are ladder, plastic sandwich bags, rubber bands, chandelier cleaner, plastic sheeting or trap, protective clothing, gloves, face mask, goggles. The standard operating procedure for chandelier cleaning wet method are display caution sign in the area of work. Make sure light bulbs are off and cool before beginning. Spread the tarp or sheeting under the chandelier to capture drips. Set the ladder up so that it is stable. Climb the ladder and secure a plastic bag over individual light bulbs by tightly wrapping a rubber band around the fixture beneath each bulb. Spray the entire fixture with chandelier cleaner, making sure to thoroughly wet the chandelier from every angle. Allow the chandelier to drip dry. Carefully remove the tarp. Remove caution sign and put things back in their place. Let us now understand the precautions that the janitor staff should do before performing deep cleaning. Be aware of safety instructions for chemicals. Display the caution sign board. Use recommended PPEs for each job. While undertaking any cleaning of electrical equipment or fixtures, be sure to switch off the appliances or fixtures or unplug them from the socket to make sure that they cannot be switched on accidentally while the cleaning is going on. Ensure the electrical equipment is plugged properly while in use. Do not use equipment without proper plugins. Ensure appropriate body posture. Ensure there are no spillages left over. Ensure there are no chemical spillages left over. The mop used for wet floor should be just damp. Ensure the platform or step ladder is stable. Follow the correct manual handling process. Remove all material after completing any job. Let us now look at the cleaning frequency of indoor area. Cleaning of cobwebs and ceiling is done on a weekly basis. Thoroughly clean all windows, both sides of reception area, glass and entrance doors, including all aluminium frames and door handles on a monthly basis. Dust all interior walls, ledges, furniture and equipment on a monthly basis. Deep clean all internal windows, sills and blinds on a quarterly basis. Venetian blinds are cleaned on a weekly, monthly or quarterly basis. Deep cleaning of AC grills, fire sensors, light fittings and extinguishers under supervision of a technical team is done on a periodic basis. Done once in 6 months to a year, depending on wear and tear. Some of the parameters that needs to be checked before performing deep cleaning are: check for any dust, dirt, cobwebs or marks on ceiling, walls, light fixtures, grills, doors, windows, chandeliers. Check for stains on walls, doors and windows. Check for dirt in places that are not cleaned regularly by moving furniture, equipment, checking the undersurfaces of the office furniture, equipment, etc. The business impact of doing deep cleaning are: unclean high areas have an impact on the health of the employees and hence productivity. It leaves a negative impression about the organization. So far, you have learned the business impact of doing deep clean. Let us now understand the service level agreement made between the company and vendor for deep cleaning. The facility manager should ensure that the vendor performs the deep cleaning procedures as per the service agreement and scope of work specified. Coordinate with service providers and inform users of the cleaning schedule. Coordinate all cleaning works to ensure there is no impact on the occupants of the facility. The key performance indicators, that is KPI, are: all preparation and precautionary works are being carried out properly. Occupants of the facility are informed well in advance. Should achieve the standards of cleanliness as desired by the facility. That brings us to the end of this module on deep cleaning high areas. In this module, we looked at Introduction to Cleaning High Areas. What is deep cleaning? EHS or tools, tackles and equipment used for deep cleaning process. Standard operating procedures for deep cleaning process. Precautions to be taken for deep cleaning. Frequency of cleaning deep areas. Parameters for checking on deep cleaning. Impact of business on clean high areas in workplace. Service level agreements or key performance indicators required for deep cleaning.